On our route screen, we may be able to view the routes in more detail. We can use our service search engine, which will indicate a location on the map in orange. By clicking on our route display button, we can view and handle in parallel with the assigned services. We can change routes by clicking on each vehicle and find services not assigned due to lack of capacity or some restriction previously defined by us. Right mouse click on a route will display a menu from where you can individually re-optimize routes or change all services with another route. In case an unexpected route or service appears, you can add it directly to the map by right-clicking, but don't forget to optimize again so that it is considered in the assignment of services to routes. When we have assigned services, we will click on the dispatch button from where we can create, copy and send via WhatsApp a link to our driver in which he will be able to view from their smartphone all the information assigned to the route. The driver, by allowing access to their location from the smartphone, can share locations and proof of delivery in real time with us, but we will see all these features in the live screen video.